Well, hey y'all, it's Andy. I have come down here to CG's house down the street to, well, cook some supper. And, well, Mr. Rob over there at Ession's Family Garden done made me hungry this morning in one of his videos, y'all. Y'all, he cooked homemade hamburger helper. You done made me hungry, Mr. Rob. But anyways, was already planning on a decent looking kind of special supper tonight, so figured I'd bring y'all along for that. And anyways, let me show you us getting started, and I'll see y'all here in just a second. Well, y'all, that is what we starting with. That's right, we cooking over a fire tonight. So anyways, I'm about to get this here fire burned down a little bit, throw a couple more bigger logs on there, get some more coals, and I'll bring y'all back when we start cooking. Well, no, we ain't cooking homemade hamburger helper, y'all. I wish we was, but we are cooking leftover smoked chicken, raid the fridge, whatever we got helper. So, we'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Here's what we're starting off with. We got french fries over an open fire, y'all. And let me go find my spoon. I got a spoon. Oh, wait. Homemade french fries over an open fire, y'all. Alright. Now, while these are cooking up frying, we're going to get this here pan started. See y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. We got butter. Add it in there. That all nice and happy. Now I got our butter. Going with some onions, y'all. Ooh wee. That's right. Butter and onions, y'all. Alright, y'all. Now we're going in with a can of Rotel. There we go. That all stirred up in there. All nice and happy. And now we're going on with some smoked full barbecue chicken, y'all. Well, barbecue chicken without the barbecue sauce. Get in there. All stirred up. We're gonna go on with some salt and pepper in here. About that much. Stir that up. Going with a little bit of Tony's. There we go. Then we're going to pour some chicken broth in here. Do not ask me for measurements because I do not know. It's called eyeball it, y'all. That's good. It's about a cup and a half. We're going to go with that much. And CG says it's about a cup and a half. And we're going to let that reduce down for a little while. And then we're going to check on these fries. Alright, y'all. I do believe this here chicken and onions and Rotel is about done. Don't that look good, y'all? It's nice and reduced down. So we're going to pull that off. Set that over here for a minute. And these fries are almost done, so we're going to finish cooking them. And we'll see y'all here in a couple of minutes when they're done. Alright, y'all. These fries are done. That's right. Homemade fries over an open fire, y'all. So we're going to pull these off. And I will see y'all here in a second with the taste test. I will see y'all here in just a minute. Oh, don't them look good? Oh, would y'all looky there. Don't that look like a good supper, y'all? We about to get stuff plated up. Alright, y'all. We got our plate. Don't that look good, y'all? So, try some of our over the campfire chicken rotel and onion stuff. If I can keep it on fork. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, that's good. Now, a homemade French fry over the fire, y'all. Y'all, that's good too. See what happens when all y'all do cooking videos, y'all? You make me hungry. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed my little over the campfire supper. So anyways, I'm about to finish my supper, so thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all on the next video.